One bright morning, Benny, Lola, Milo, and Sandy decided to have a big picnic in the forest. They packed their baskets with carrots, cookies, bananas, and nuts, each one giggling with excitement. It was the start of a very silly adventure. The friends marched happily into the forest, singing funny songs and swinging their baskets. The air was fresh and the forest was filled with laughter. Lola shouted, "Watch me fly!" but her little wings weren't strong enough. She flapped, wobbled, and bump! Landed right on Benny's head. Everyone laughed until their bellies hurt. Milo the Monkey giggled as he placed a banana peel on the path. Lola waddled closer and, whoops, she slipped and tumbled into her basket of cookies. Even she couldn't stop laughing at the mess. Sandy loved hiding nuts so much, she placed them everywhere, under rocks, inside flowers, and even in Benny's pocket. "Hey, who put this nut here?" Benny laughed. Sandy giggled. "Oops, maybe I did." Soon they reached a wobbly wooden bridge. "Careful, it shakes," Benny warned. Lola quacked nervously. Milo swung on the rope like Tarzan, and Sandy tiptoed like a ballerina. They all made it across, laughing with relief. Milo showed off by swinging from a tree branch. "Look at me!" Splash! He fell straight into the river, splattering everyone. The friends rolled on the grass, laughing so hard their sides ached. During a short break, Benny tossed a carrot at Lola, and Lola threw a cookie back. Soon it turned into a silly food fight. Carrots flew, cookies crumbled, and Milo cheered like a referee, while Sandy laughed nonstop. When it was time to eat, Sandy looked for her nuts. "Oh no! Where did I hide them?" she squeaked. The others laughed so much that even Sandy couldn't help but giggle at herself. Suddenly, a little bee buzzed around Lola's head. She ran in circles, flapping her wings wildly, shouting, "Shoo! Shoo!" Her friends rolled over laughing as the bee finally flew away. To make everyone laugh even harder, Milo started dancing with the silliest moves. He spun his tail, wiggled his arms, and made funny faces. The forest echoed with claps and laughter. Then Lola tried to sing a song, but instead of sweet notes, she quacked so loudly that the others covered their ears. Still, they all laughed and clapped for her brave performance. Oops! The picnic blanket slid down a little hill, carrying all the food with it. Carrots, cookies, bananas, and nuts rolled everywhere. The friends chased after it, giggling as they tried to catch their runaway feast. At last, they sat down again, munching on what was left of their food. Everyone was sticky, messy, and tired, but their hearts were full of joy and laughter. At last, they sat down again on the grass. Benny sighed, "Best picnic ever." Lola added, "And the funniest." Milo laughed, "And the silliest." Sandy giggled, "And I still can't find my nuts." They all burst into laughter, ending the perfect day.